Okay, this is why I'm afraid to have sex. Um, I can't really say it out loud, so I'll just put it like right there or right there or something. Maybe like right there. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, but yeah, it kind of just I don't usually talk about it that much. Um, it's kind of sad, yeah, I know, but don't be like, oh, I feel so bad for you now, blah 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 blah. No, I'm sick and tired of hearing that all the time. Like, I'll tell somebody and they'll be like, oh, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Do you need someone to hang out with? No, I really don't. I mean, it was back when I was about maybe 4 or 5 years old. And, yeah, when somebody, like, says the word, like, all the time, like, sex, or rape, or just anything that has to do with sex, it really pisses me off and makes me kind of sad. Um, yeah, it's, like, it was back when I was 5, and, it was my brother, and, I didn't tell my parents till, like, this past year, and I bawled my eyes out, like, you have no idea, but, yeah, the way I learned it was by him, basically, and, like, how it happened, uh, I'll probably tell you in the sidebar or something, but yeah, um, it is just the way it is, I guess. And I learned from my parents like a long time ago. I walked in, oh no. Uh, but yeah, I will definitely talk to you guys later. Bye.